Okay, your Friday on 7 Groovy Girls 0. So this week's theme on SGGO is secret recipes. I was gonna bake something for you guys, but currently the water at my house is like turned off. So I thought, what am I gonna do? I don't have any water. Well, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my secret recipe for fun. But let's find somewhere a little more fun than the bathroom. Guess where I am? Ikea. Now this is what I call a recipe for fun. Chair! This is awesome. I wish this was my room. What's to eat? Oh, I didn't see you there. And that, my friends, is my recipe for fun. Go to Ikea and be crazy. It's awesome. You should try it sometime. And the thing about Ikea that makes it so awesome is nobody even cares. So yeah, I hope you guys come back next week and see me on 7 Groovy Girls 0 with another video. Bye guys. See y'all later.